Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to share how to make your TikTok account private in just a few easy steps. It's super quick and it ensures your account stays secure and visible only to people you approve. So let's get into it. First, open your TikTok app. Once you're in, head to the Me section by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, look for the three dots or lines in the top right corner and tap on them to open the settings menu. Next, select the privacy option. Here you will see a toggle labeled as private account. Simply switch it on and that's it. Your TikTok account is now private. This means only people you approve will be able to see your content. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.